Hello everyone, my name is Anish Kumar and today I am going to speak about an interesting AWS service that I like. So it is Amazon S3. So basically it is an storing service like if you ever need an storing service for storing your data or storing your images, photos or videos, then you can use this service. If you face any problem of storing in cloud, so in the such condition you can use this service. So let's begin. And the Amazon S3 service is a simple storage service. It is a cloud storage service basically, which is used to storing many objects that are durable, secure and easy to use. So basically the data is stored for long period of time and the data is secure and is very durable. So some of the key features of the Amazon S3 service are unlimited storage. In today's date, we can see there are many softwares which provides cloud storage, but the problem is it gives limited storage. So this solves the problem of the limited storage and provides the unlimited storage. So we can store as much as data as possible. Scalability and durability. It is highly scalable and durable. S3 automatically replicates data across multiple locations for high availability. So we can store the data which can be accessed at multiple locations and it is highly available. And the main security and access control. The data that we have uploaded has to be remain secured. So it provides those security using encryption and fine-grained access controls. So it protects our data. Multiple storage classes. It optimizes cost with standard, intelligent tiering and Glacier. So basically it provides various storage classes in which we can store our data. Static web hosting. It provides an easy way of hosting the website. If we have CSS and HTML files, then we can host our web page directly without needing any web server. So now let's understand how this S3 works. First, we have to create an S3 bucket. In the Amazon S3 service, the data is stored in buckets, in which each bucket consists of a name, and then we can store the data in those buckets. So first, as I said, S3 bucket is just a folder which is stored in the cloud, and then we have to upload the files that we have, like photos, videos or any other documents. We can store any type of data in those buckets, which is then stored in the Amazon databases. Then we have to set permission and access controls. We have to give certain permissions in which it tells who can access this data to increase the security, and then retrieve and managing data. It accesses the files using AWS console or SDK. So it basically used to retrieve the data. Some of the real world uses of this Amazon S3 service are backup and disaster recovery. If due to some disaster or cyber attack we have lost our data, then we can use this to regain our data, and also we can back up the data. Storing website images and videos. As I said, the Amazon S3 service is used to store our data like images, videos or any other documents. Hosting static website. Also, as I said, it is used for web hosting. If we have our JSS and HTML files, we can host an website. Data archiving and big data analytics. It can be also used for data analytics, which is very helpful. So this was all. So in conclusion, I would like to say that Amazon S3 is one of my favorite services which I liked about AWS. It is a powerful, flexible and secure cloud storage which allows user to store their data in cloud, which they can access and which is very secured. So if you are looking for an online cloud storage service, then you should solely opt for Amazon S3, because Amazon S3 offers a widely unlimited storage service in which we can nearly store around 99.9% of data, and it is also very secured, in which our data is very secured and there is a high level protection of our data, and we can access our data in a safe manner. Also, it is very scalable and easy to access. It provides a very easy way for accessing our data because it stores the data in buckets, and we can select the bucket in which we want to access our data. So what I would like to say is, if you are a student, developer, or a business owner, then you should surely use the Amazon S3 service of AWS for storing your data in the cloud and making your project far more better. Thank you.